you see the big project of your farmer? Look at these beautiful feathers. Is the bird male or female? Of right, it is male. The male has pretty feathers. These help him enter a mate. The female has plain feathers. These help her head in the nest. Do you see the seahorse? Look, baby seahorses are coming out of its pouch. Is the seahorse the mother or the father? The right, it is the father. When seahorses fall in love, they link trains and dance. The female drops her eggs in the male pouch. The eggs hit in the pouch. After 4 rocks, they more give birth. Do you see the big lion? It has long hair. The long hair is called the mane. Is the lion male or female? Surprise, the lion with the mane is male. The mane makes the lion look bigger. The mane helps the male trick a mate, but it is hard to hit with the mane, so the female has to do hunting. Is the animal male or female? Look closely. Neutral is full of surprise.